2014 Ford Mustang 5.0. You can tell this car has some power. Once you hear it, you'll know it's got a lot of power. It's on E85, it's fully tuned, long tube headers, as you guys can see there and there. We didn't touch any of that. 3-inch system with an X pipe right there. Then they deleted everything and all the way, and then CORSA axle back, XTREME, there and there. And it had single tips on it, but he changed the rear diffuser and made it into quads. So he brought his own CORSA tips. And all we did is just install the 2 tips on it there. There's the original tips that were on the CORSA singles, and we made it a quad. It looks better with a quad anyways. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. What else to me? Enjoy. And guys, this is his YouTube channel, Driven by Vision. So make sure you go hit him up, subscribe, and write in the comments, Exhaust Addicts sent you. We always love when we have fellow YouTubers come by. Oh yeah. So much better. That's loud. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Guys, I invested in some earmuffs, so I can actually hear it and stand behind it for you guys to do it. One more. Back it up. Like I said, follow his YouTube channel, guys, and hit him up and comment Exhaust Addicts sent you. We would appreciate it. You guys hear on the inside. Mustang GT50 E85 tuned, long tube headers, X5, CORSA XTREME with quad tips. Beautiful car. Hit 128 on the sound decibel. Sound. Man, nothing beats CORSA and Borla. Wow. Beautiful.